Hello everybody, today I am going to discuss about transition modifier in SwiftUI. Transition modifier in SwiftUI. So what is transition? Transition means the process of change from one state into another state. Transition means the process of change one state into another state. Transition is nothing these two properties. Is apply on these two properties. How to invert it into a screen and how to remove from the screen. So first of all, we're gonna create on this example and consider on this example command and SwiftUI view. We're gonna create on SwiftUI view. So this is a transition example. We're gonna create a SwiftUI transition appliance. Suppose we're gonna create another structure. We're gonna apply on this another structure, and which have we're gonna apply on this another structure. This is a transition apply. Apply view. Okay, we're gonna create on this transition apply view. Transition apply view. Okay, and which is confirm on this view. And we're gonna access on this. We're gonna access on this property. Suppose which have not access on this property, and we can access on this. This remove this contents and var body some view. Okay, we're gonna get on this instance. About this, we're gonna get on this binding property binding var. Okay, binding var. This is a is open which is type of bool and is equal to which is type of bool and is equal to false. Okay, and we're gonna create on this is equal to false with bool property. You can binding var is open. We're gonna turn on this view and not confirm on this. This is initial properties view. So var body some view, and we can access on this property. Suppose which have not apply and not use of structure confirm on view and some view. We're gonna create on this stack. Okay, and first of all we're gonna create stack and apply on this condition. If condition our property is open is equal to false, otherwise this property is equal to false. Is open equal to false. We're gonna create on this circle, and we're gonna apply on this dot circle dot fill. We're gonna apply on circle dot fill and color dot green color. Okay, so yellow color, not apply on this green color. This is the yellow colors and circle dot yellow colors. And we're gonna apply on this ignoring safe area dot, not apply on this ignoring safe area. And we're gonna apply on this foreground color dot red and transition. We're gonna apply on this transition dot transitions and dot is identify scale effect and scale opacity identity slide. So first of all we are going to do dot move. We're gonna apply this edge dot, suppose we have on the top. First circle is remove on the top. Okay, move method, we can move method is running on the top. Okay, and we're gonna create on this another method. So another method we can use of true false, and this this is we can use of capsule shape dot fill. So we can access color dot red color. Okay, and we're gonna apply on this color dot red color, and we're gonna apply on dot transition dot move method apply on this transition dot edge. We can use of bottom. First of this top apply running is top, and second capsule shape running is bottom. Okay, running is bottom and top item minus 8, and we can apply on this running is bottom. Okay, we're gonna create on this our view and use of we're gonna create on the state private var is open which is type of bool and is equal to false. This is the initial value is false. Okay, we're gonna create on this, suppose this is we're gonna create on this v stack, and we're gonna create on this v stack. Okay, and we're gonna create on this v stack, and this is a button. You can create on this layout this button which accessibility on this button, and we can access on this target. So button is tab transition Okay, and we're gonna apply on this tab transitions, and we're gonna apply on this buttons property dot background color. We're gonna apply on this dot padding, and we're gonna apply on this dot frame is 200, and we're gonna apply on this 20 and 25, and remove this alignment. Suppose whichever, remove this alignment, and we're gonna apply on this dot background color. Okay, and we're gonna apply dot background color dot, so which have on this color dot, suppose this is a white color. Okay, and we're gonna apply on this, not apply on this white color, so we can apply on this green color. Okay, and we're gonna apply on this foreground color dot foreground color. We're gonna apply on this dot white color. Okay, and we're gonna apply on this dot font, so we're gonna apply on this dot font which have on this headline last title. We can apply the headline. Okay, we're gonna resume on this application, so we can apply on this button action. We're gonna apply on this dot corner radius, suppose which have corner radius 12.0, and which have largest on this axis, this is a 40. Apply on this height, so 40 apply on this heights, and we're gonna apply on this action. This is a, suppose we can apply on this action, and action is self dot is open our property, and dot is open our property, self dot is open, but is apply on this with animation, with animations. We can pass on this closures, suppose we can with animation, so we can pass on this self dot is open, sorry, self dot is open, dollar is open, bind on this dollar is open, and not apply on this dollar is open is equal to toggle dot toggle. Toggle is on and off. This toggle is true, false, and true and false. False and true, true and false. This is use of toggle. Okay, and we're gonna create on this text. Is not apply on this text. This is the buttons and tab transition. You can buttons. We're gonna add on this button, and we're gonna create on this our view, which have our view name. Our view name is transition apply view. Transition apply view. Okay, we're gonna is open, bind on this dollar is open. Okay, bind on this dollar is open. We have create on this instead bind dollar is open, and this bind properties and use of is open. So we're gonna run on this project. Okay, tap on transition, this room, tab of transition. Okay, first tab of transition, yellow is top and red is bottom. We can tap transition, red is bottom. We're gonna tap transition, red is bottom. Suppose we can change on this property. We can change on this is the color, not change this color. This is the yellow, not apply on this color. This is the purple color, and pink color. We can assign this is the purple color. Okay, and we can use of this is the top. We can use of leading. First is leading and second is trailing. We can assign move, transition is trailing. So transition definition, in this definition, transition means to process change from one state into another state. Tap on this element. Leading and trailing. We can access leading and trailing. Leading and trailing. Leading and trailing. Okay, and we're gonna use a simple superb use of leading and trailing with animations and with use of animation. Okay, and we're gonna use of some transition dot. We're gonna apply this transition dot. Suppose we're gonna apply on this other another property on this transition dot transition dot. We're gonna apply on this is the opacity. Suppose we can apply on this opacity, and this 2.0 allowing the opacity. We can on this application. This is not apply on this circle, not apply on this opacity. Suppose this we can check this issue. Cannot convert non-type function any position. We can use any position. This is not apply on this transition. So dot opacity is scale. We can apply on this scale. This circle is apply on this scale. Circle is apply on this scale, and which have on this scale initialize, but scales and scale anchor we can apply on this scale is there 12.0, and we can apply on this 12.0 scale. This we can largest scale on this transition, largest scale on this circle. When I'm like scale property and another property in this transition. So thank you for watching use of transition in SwiftUI.